Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be reviewing a wig from Glam. The wig that we will be reviewing is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. It's 20 inches and it's a deep wave texture. This unit has 2 clips on the side, one in the middle, one in the back, and adjustable straps. This unit did not come pre-bleached. I went ahead off camera and bleached the frontal. Also, this unit is 180 density. Glam also sent us a silk scarf, and this could be used to tie down your frontal at night. Okay, so here guys, I am trying the unit on to try to see if it fits to my head, because today I'm trying not to use any adhesive at all. And it fits really snug to my head, but then I noticed that my lace is kind of light for my complexion. So I took the unit off and I applied lace tint to the unit. Now that color looks more to my complexion. Okay, so I went ahead and I tried the unit back on, and that looks so much better. Oh guys, I forgot to mention this hairline. It already came plucked to my satisfaction. I don't think it needed to be plucked anymore, so I didn't touch it at all. And I'm not really going to go into details on how I cut my lace, because I have tutorials on my channel already on how to cut the lace. Okay, now that we got the lace cut, I'm just showing y'all that this is completely glueless. We don't have any adhesive on there, and we're going to attempt to apply our mousse. Okay guys, so the product that we'll be using today for this glueless method is our Nairobi foaming wrap lotion. And here you see me just going around the hairline, making sure that I get the entire hairline. And that's important guys, because you don't want any sections coming up. Once I'm finished with the mousse, I'm going to use my Sanex strip to wrap around my hairline. And this helps my frontal mold to my head. And guys, this is my first time doing this technique, so let me know what you think about this technique. And once I got the Sanex strip in place, I'm going to use my blow dryer to dry the frontal. And guys, you don't have to use the handheld blow dryer. You can actually sit up under the dryer for about 5 to 10 minutes to let your frontal mold in place. But since I was at home, I did not have a dryer to sit up under, so I had to use my handheld dryer. Now that the Sanex strip is dry, I'm going to cut it off. Guys, look at that. Ooh, guys, look at that. Look at that. In the comments below, let me know what you think about this. This, again, guys, this was my first time doing this method, but I really like it though. And guys, if you feel like that the Nairobi wouldn't be a strong enough hold for you, you can use like your freeze spray or holding spray, and it'll give you kind of a longer hold. But for me, I don't keep them on that long, so this was perfect. And guys, if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification for more of my videos.